Ever wanted the Beverly Hills lifestyle without the 90210 zip code or the $5 million price tag? This 1.699 corner lot is in the Beverly Hills of Mission Hills. It packs 1,735 square feet of charm with 3 bedrooms, a sun-filled bonus room, an office or optional 4th bedroom, a sparkling pool, a courtyard for those backyard brunches, and yep, even a garage. It's smart, it's stylish, and loaded with DIY potential. Let's take a tour. If this is your first time to the channel and you want to know everything there is to know about moving to San Diego, then subscribe and click that bell for notifications so that you can be the first to know about the current market here in San Diego, California. My name is Victoria Sandoval and I'm with Select Premier Properties. We get calls from people just like you every single day. So whether you're looking to move in 9 days or 9 months, feel free to reach out. My contact information is on the description below and I'd be happy to help you make a smooth move to San Diego. Now let's check out this beauty. So let's start with a little bit of history. Mission Hills is one of San Diego's oldest neighborhoods, developed in the early 1900s, and it's named after the nearby mission, San Diego de la Cola, California's first mission, which dates all the way back to 1769. Walking through these streets, you could really see and feel the history with beautiful craftsman bungalows, Spanish Revival modern homes as well. Now let's talk numbers. Mission Hills is home to 15,000 residents and it's known for its low crime rate, making it one of the safest neighborhoods in San Diego. It's definitely a huge plus for families looking to settle down here. Speaking of families, the schools in Mission Hills are top-notch, but there are a few cons here. The cost of living here is definitely on the higher side, which is something to keep in mind if you're budgeting. Nightlife is a bit quieter. As you can see, it's very quiet around here compared to other parts of San Diego. So if you're looking for a vibrant nightlife scene, you might need to venture out a bit, and parking can get a little tricky, especially in the older parts of the neighborhood. Hey, it's Victoria Sandoval, your San Diego real estate pro with over 22 years of experience, and I'm here to show you one of the most beautiful homes in the heart of Mission Hills. Today's listing is pure Mission Hills gold. It's 1,735 square feet of character on a corner lot and one of the best addresses in North Mission Hills. We're gonna tour this property, break down the schools, crime, walkability, sprinkle a little bit of local history. Let's go. Founded in 1908 as a street cart suburb, Mission Hills is packed with craftsmanship, style revival homes, and early modern homes. This corner lot in the neighborhood became known as the Beverly Hills of Mission Hills for its elevated lots, views, and estate-style properties. If you're into San Diego history and architecture, hit that subscribe button for more neighborhood spotlights coming soon. All right, so we got 3 full bedrooms. The primary is bright and spacious, and with hardwood floors, bedroom 2 and 3 are perfect and ideal for guests, kids, or creative use. And the office optional 4th is great to work from home or for a perfect playroom. All right, now I want to show you the sunroom because the sunroom is flooded with light. It's open, it's bright, and we have a courtyard back over here, which I'll show you, which is perfect for reading. And check this out. You have a view. You can see the water from here. Actually, from a distance, you can see Point Loma, and you get a nice fresh breeze. What I love about the property here on Arista is that it's on a corner lot. You can see that tree is over 100 years old. It's a neighborhood landmark. People who live here love this tree. There's people who come every single year during the holidays to take their family photos. So it's a very meaningful tree here in the neighborhood. I want to mention how huge this courtyard is. I mean, it's perfect for yoga, it's perfect for meditation, or just hanging out with the family. It's a perfect spot for entertaining as well. You have some fruit trees right over here. It's just open and airy and just so bright. I love the greenery. And right around the corner, you got the pool. So this is a wraparound, which is a rare find here in Mission Hills. Now let me show you the garage. You have a laundry room right over here. With the one-car garage, I mean, you can't ask for more. And you have a driveway to park another car. Now, the benefit of being on a corner lot is that you have a ton of parking. I want to show you right over here. You have access to the side of the home through here. So your guests don't actually have to go in through your house. They can actually come in through here. And let's just say you're hosting a party and your guests need to use the restroom. They enter through here and then they have restroom access through this door right over there. So they never have to go in and out of your home. How amazing is that? Okay, I want to show you how cute this corner lot is. Now to my right, you have the garage with the driveway, and you can see how quiet it is right over here. Now this area is considered the Beverly Hills of Mission Hills, North Mission Hills, but in general, I would say it's considered the Beverly Hills of San Diego. Now let me show you how large this lot is. And you have another entrance through here. You can walk up these stairs and go in through the front door. See how quiet and peaceful it is? And look at that swing, how cute. Love the layout? Smash that like button, drop sunroom goals in the comments, and I'll show you how to style it on a budget. The private courtyard here is a hidden gem, easy to dress up with cafe lights or an outdoor rug. All right, and the sparkling pool, just the right size with space for loungers and planters, and that sunny orientation, it's made just right for the golden hour hangouts. I also want to bring up the fact that you have access to the pool area from the front gate right over here. So your guests can also come in this way. There's the beautiful tree and lush landscaping. So that's your tour. 1735 square feet, 3 bedrooms, a sunroom, an office, a courtyard, a pool. Classic North Mission Hills charm on a corner lot. Like what you see? Hit that like button, subscribe, and tag someone who'd love this home. I'm Victoria Sandoval, helping you find your San Diego home, helping you find San Diego's smartest buys in style and strategy. See you on the next one. Bye.